Right, quick video on how to work a spring pistol. So we've got lots of different designs, they all work pretty much the same way. So press the mag release like that. Load it up down here. You want to pull down this spring retention piece here. Load it up as you go, gently. Don't force it or anything like that. And also don't let that spring to the top because you will damage the magazine over time. Anything like that will void your warranty if you've been damaging it that way. So once that's all loaded, you load it into here. You keep your finger off the trigger whilst you're cocking it. Because if you do that, it won't work properly. You'll end up jamming something, breaking something in the internal mechanism. So keep it off the trigger, pull it back like that. You cock it once per BB. If you do it any more times, you're going to start feeding multiple BBs into the chamber. That will damage it, and that is not what we would advise. So there we go. It's loaded with one. Fire it like that. That's it. And just repeat until you're empty. If you do get anything jammed like that, take out the magazine first. See if you can clear it just by firing it like that. Because if you do leave it in and you do have a jam, you're going to keep loading BBs with each time you do that. You're going to be loading another one in, making it worse. So yeah, that's how you work it. Very simple. Works with any spring gun that we've got on our store. Okay.